Today we are going to see how we can send multiple number of attachment to an email. The number of attachment is dynamic. In this test case, I am using 3 attachments, but you can add any number of attachments. Here, the first thing is I am using Postman API tool to send this attachment. Uh, there's an iFlow that I have configured and enabled the HTTP endpoint, which will be triggering from Postman. And in the body, we are using form data format, and it has mainly 4 parts. First is the body as a key, where I'm just setting as a JSON body, but the format is text. In the body, I just provided the information like order ID and customer ID. Then in the attachments, there are 3 attachments. One is order invoice, one is order reference, and another is installation kit. You can see the first file is in .pdf and the remaining two in doc format. Doesn't matter actually because all these are going to be handled automatically. Um, and you can see as a response, we have received message saying it was successfully sent. Now, going back to the email that I have received. So there are 3 attachments and customer ID and order ID are extracted from the body. Now let's see how this iFlow is configured. So this is the iFlow that I have created, and the first thing to note is that I have allowed header content time. This is important because this will accept the boundary information which is relevant to identify the different parts of the message. Next, I have used the MIME multiple decoder. It automatically treats the first part as the body and sets that as the message body, and the remaining part are kept as attachments. So there are no specific script written or separate handling done for the attachments. Next, in the Groovy script is mainly what I'm doing is I'm parsing the body and setting the key value pair where just retrieving the order ID and customer ID from the payload. Now, important thing to note in the mail adapter is that I have just checked this add message attachment field, and that's all. And in the body, you can just set any text format or HTML format. I am using HTML format. And at the end, I have used content modifier step to send this as a response. That's all for this video. Thank you.